So this is a demonstration of the pinball machine which Meehi assembled.
And we were continuing.
Yeah, continuing from the last video. So these are, 5 marbles. These are the ones through which you are going to push it across the number cabinets. Which are the number cabinets? So see, these are small balls. With your, if you can push it properly, these balls, then these marbles, these small white ball, yellow balls will go into this cabinet. And if you see one ball, it's already there, it designates 5 points. Similarly, there are red balls which comes with big points. Like if they are being pushed across this cabinet, it's like starts with 20 and 30. So let's start, Meehi.
I'm going to put the ball here.
Yeah, marble here. So you have to have a good reflex action.
Stuck. Ooh, got 20 points. Red.
Oh, the red went. So now see, now Meehi got 20 points. Okay, now. Yeah.
Oh no, damn. Got 10 points.
Oh.
It's okay. I'm getting points. That was so good shot.
So you have to stop the marble from getting into that, cavity. Yeah.
It's hitting.
Yes. So Meehi has accumulated so many yellow balls. So she has got 40 points with yellow balls.
45.
45. Okay, and through red balls it's 40. So the total sum would be addition of these points. And she has got only 2 marbles left.
Oh my god. Only one marble.
One marble left. Okay.
I don't know. So guys, if you cannot understand, then I'm just showing you. Oopsie. This is so hard to play now.
She's about to, she just reset it. So she reset the entire game through this reset button. Where, so the marbles got into that cavity. So she lost one marble already. No, Meehi, put it back again.
No, it's okay.
Yeah. Yes, Meehi, you can do it. Yes. So guys, you can see, right, how tough it is.
Yeah. I'm just keeping it here like this for a long time.
Okay.
I'm thinking, what will the ball do?
Okay, fine. We don't have time. So Meehi has to. No. So if she can have much more force, so
30 points.
No, but
red.
Okay.
30.
Okay. Yes, Meehi, you can do it. Yes. Do it. Yes. Do it. Yes.
Oh my god, 40. Red.
Okay, fine. You already had accumulated. Yes.
I already got 60. Oh my god,
So the thirst has to be more so that the marble reaches high up and can push those red balls. Yes, like that, but don't move the entire boat.
Oh, sorry.
Yes. Oh, she uprooted one of the, what do you say?
I'm pausing this game and again starting it, okay?